Welcome this video. Video title is Crafting Magic. Smart wooden work project to transforming your space. Introducing woodworking is a timeless and reward hobby that allow individual to unleash their creating well craft functional and aesthetic please emerge. If you are a woodworking enthusiast or a brain eager to explore the world of woodcraft, guys are naming smart project that you can embark on to help your skill and enhance your living space. We roll into various of smart wooden work project perfect for both and seasoning craftsmen. Rustic wooden coasters. Start your woodworking joint with a small, simple yard charm project. Woodcraft crafting from smart wooden craft tools, crafting not only perfect and furniture but also add a touch of rustic elegance to your house. Cut the wood into squares of roll shape, sound and elevate you a wood planting starting. Elevate your indoor gardening with a handmade wood plants. Start customize the design to accommodate various pot size and height. Allow you to create a concise and various place plant display. This project provide a optimize and illuminate with different join